Hello everyone, I am Jocelyn, the AI news anchor of News for Chinese. This program is sponsored by Ho Year LLC. A medical office in Redwood City is for sale. It has an indoor area of 3,200 square feet, 9 rooms, and a large hall that can accommodate up to 120 people for gatherings. The property is located in downtown Redwood City, just 5 minutes from Kaiser Hospital and Stanford Medical Center. For inquiries, please call 408-471-7298, 408-471-7298. Due to the overwhelming burden on healthcare systems, long waiting lists, and rising costs, many people have started using AI chatbots like ChatGPT for self-diagnosis. According to a recent study led by the University of Oxford, about 1 in 6 American adults now uses chatbots for health advice at least once a month. However, the study also indicates that placing too much trust in content generated by chatbots may pose risks, partly because people often don't know what kind of information they need to provide to get the best health advice. Adam Mahdi, Director of Graduate Studies at the Oxford Internet Institute and co-author of the report, told TechCrunch, the study reveals a breakdown in two-way communication. Users of chatbots are not making better decisions than those who rely on traditional methods like online searches or personal judgment. Google invests in film and TV to improve public perception of tech industry. According to Business Insider, Google is launching a new film and television initiative called 100 Zeros, aiming to reshape how young audiences perceive both Google products and the broader tech industry. The report highlights that this effort is not about distributing content through Google's own platforms like YouTube or internal services like Apple TV+. Instead, Google plans to partner with existing studios for distribution, signaling a collaborative approach with Hollywood rather than creating a closed ecosystem. In an official statement, Google clarified that the project is not the launch of a new in-house production studio. Rather, it is an initiative from Google's Platforms and Devices team, developed in partnership with Range Media Partners, a well-known entertainment management and production company. We're working with Range to help the creative community incorporate cutting-edge technologies and platforms, like XR and AI, into their storytelling, Google said in the statement. While Google is not directly producing the content, its financial backing could bring a much-needed boost to the U.S. entertainment industry, which is currently facing rising production costs and global trade pressures. This partnership could offer a breath of fresh air, especially at a time when many studios are grappling with how to integrate new technologies into storytelling while managing tight budgets. FTC issues new rule banning hidden fees. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has released a new rule titled The Rule on Unfair or Deceptive Fees, which prohibits hidden fees in industries such as live events, hotels, and short-term rentals. Taking effect on May 12th, the rule aims to curb junk fees by banning practices like bait-and-switch pricing and any form of misrepresentation or omission of total costs. In its newly published FAQ document, the FTC provides detailed guidance for businesses affected by the rule, including best practices for transparent pricing. The regulation will impact a broad range of businesses, including ticket sellers for live events, hotels, motels, and short-term rental platforms such as Airbnb and VRBO. It also applies to third-party platforms, resellers, and travel agencies that operate in these sectors. Importantly, the FTC clarified that only certain charges can be excluded from upfront pricing, such as taxes or government-imposed fees, shipping charges, and optional add-ons that a customer may choose during the same transaction. However, processing fees are not among the excluded charges and must be disclosed in the total price. This new rule reflects the FTC's broader effort to ensure that consumers are shown the full, honest price upfront, helping them make better informed purchasing decisions and reducing surprise fees at checkout. If you enjoy our local news, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Laozhong News for more Chinese local news.